teach you how to make these right now. Okay, so now we're going to be cutting out the shape of our scooter wheel. I'm going to heat up the knife with this blowtorch so I can cut through the styrofoam easier. Okay, now I'm going to trace out our shape under the styrofoam block. So right now, I am burying our scooter wheel so that we can cast it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna we fell in. Now we're going to pour. So it looks like it worked. You can see right there the aluminum. We're gonna wait like maybe 3 minutes just to let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna pull it out. It's pretty good. Seemed like it worked. Have a little bit of a little gap right there, but I think it worked. Okay, so the first one we casted turned out pretty good, and we just casted the second one, so we're gonna pour that out. We're gonna pull that out. Okay, so now we're going to go inside, and we're gonna grind these a little bit, just to make them a little more rounder, so that we can put them on the scooter, and we're gonna drill holes through the center of them, so we can put the axle through. So now we're going to take the wheel off so that we can measure the axle, see what size hole we need to drill in our aluminum piece. So we found the center of our wheel, and we are going to use this drill bit to drill all the way through it so we can put the bolt in that. We found the center, and now we're gonna drill straight through. So right now we're gonna do the same thing with the second one. Okay, we fitted the wheels onto our scooter, and we're gonna see how it rolls. We're gonna start right up here. Yeah. This is our first try. Hopefully it works. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Are they any heavier than the normal ones?
I think so, yeah.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Should we try some tricks on it?
Sure.
Oh, okay. Oh, sweet.
So slippy. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This worked a lot better than I thought it would. I thought the wheels would be super slippy, but they're not perfectly round, so if they're perfectly round, it would probably help a lot more. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and have a nice day.